Rings true, unveiling the meaning behind the phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's English language lesson. We're going to dive into a very interesting English phrase that you might have heard before, rings true. Have you ever wondered what it means and how you can use it in conversation? Well, that's exactly what we're going to explore today. Stay tuned to understand not only the meaning but also the context in which you can use this phrase. The phrase, rings true, is an idiomatic expression used when something seems to be believable or convincing. It originates from the way a bell's ring is clear and resonant when it's well cast and free from cracks. Just as a bell's clear ring indicates it's in good condition, a statement that rings true is one that sounds accurate and honest. But there's more to this phrase than its literal sense. It's often used to express a feeling of agreement with something that aligns with your own thoughts or feelings. Much like when a perfect note strikes a chord in music. It's fascinating to learn that rings true has a deeper historical context. In the past, metallurgy and coin minting were not as precise as today. People would literally ring coins to hear if they were made of solid metal or were counterfeits with inferior metals. A true, pure ring indicated authenticity. So when we use rings true now, we're drawing on a long tradition of testing for truth and quality. Now, let's put rings true into action. Here are some examples. 1. After hearing all sides of the story, her explanation rings the most true. 2. The character's struggle in the movie rings true to many viewers' personal experiences. 3. Despite the rumors, his statement rings true to those who know him well. As you can see, the phrase can be used in various contexts, from personal testimonies to stories and the authenticity of objects. Let's practice with some interactive exercises. I will give you a scenario, and you try to make a sentence using rings true. Here's one to get you started. Scenario: your friend tells you about their day at work, and their story matches what you know about their job. Possible sentence: what you said about your day at work really rings true. Pause the video now and try to create your own sentences based on scenarios from books, movies, or your own life. Thank you for joining me today to uncover the meaning and use of rings true. I hope this phrase resonates with you and you find opportunities to use it when you communicate in English. Remember, the best way to learn is by practice. So try to use rings true the next time you find something particularly truthful or authentic. Until our next lesson, keep learning and keep practicing.